In this video, I will show you how to change your Twitter username. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So this tutorial is very easy to follow, but if you do have any questions regarding this, then feel free to drop that down in the comments below. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently here on twitter.com. Now the first thing I'm going to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto profile. And from here, you'll see we've got two options. So we've got an actual profile name, which as you can see here is Tech Tutor, but your username is the one underneath. So for my example, it's this at Tech Tutor YT. So this is one we're going to be changing today. So to change this, as I say, it's very easy to do. And what you want to do first is come to the menu on the left hand side. And you want to come down to the bottom and click onto the option which says more. So from here, you next want to click onto the settings and support option, which is going to bring up a drop down menu. Next, go ahead and click onto settings and privacy. And then what you want to do is make sure you're clicked onto your account. So you'll see underneath settings here, we've got your account selected. And then next to this, you're going to get another menu. And what you want to do is click onto account information. So sometimes at this point, it might ask you to enter your password just for security reasons, but once you've done that, you're going to be presented with your account information. Now you can see our username is here at the top and it says at TechTutorYT, which is our current username. So this is what we're going to change. So to change this, all you want to do is go ahead and give it a click, and you can go ahead and change it from here. So you'll notice underneath it's got some suggestions. So it's going to suggest some usernames because on Twitter, every username is completely unique to each account. So it might just take you a couple of attempts to get a correct username. So you see if I change it to Tech Tutor, that username has actually been taken by someone else. So it does add a suggestion, but of course you can put your own thing. So I'd recommend just putting some numbers after like this. And once you're happy with the changes, just come down and click the save button down here. And you'll see that's going to update straight away. So if I now go back to Twitter and I click onto profile, you'll see that's updated straight away. Instead of at TechTutorYT, it's now saying at TechTutor568. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.